island studies are very, very interesting because they were left there when the sea rise occurs. And that's why you have high endemism because of the 1,000 million years of separation. You know. But some plants may be able to get transferred in a sense by birds, even their pollen may get transferred. You know. So that's why Dr. Nizam had embarked on the island studies from some island in Langkawi to Bangkok, you know, right down to the Pahang and Johor, even Terengganu. So those are very, very interesting studies. The other thing, I just wonder why dalam literature dia panggil Seribuat Archipelago. Because Seribuat is one of the small islands there. How nice if it is called Tuman Archipelago, kan? Isn't it? Because Tuman is the most dominant. Can you show the map? Oh yeah. Tuman is the most dominant of the island, and it's very interesting. I think Periliatan had conducted a couple of surveys. I think Dr. Syukur, Prof. Syukur have been taking part, and many papers come out from kecil. So Pulau Seribuat is this one. So dia panggil Seribuat Archipelago. I rasa tak kena lah. I don't know. I would like to colonize Tuman Archipelago, but Tuman is in Pahang, whereas the rest in Johor, and all these are part of the National Park of Johor, which we never mentioned. We did some studies here, di Pulau Tinggi. I think it was published in Kadung Politik. I have published a paper on the Pulau Pemanggil, and also we published a paper on Pulau Au. This is the furthermost Pulau Au. It is so interesting about this island. I think many of our friends, I think Dr. Ahmad's mind, that their students conducted studies there. And then the other thing, before I leave it to you, when you cut 452 tons per hectare only. No, 452 tons per hectare is very high. Not only. Kalau you dapat 152, then you may say only.
Because my island is, compared to Pulau Tinggi is 1,000 plus.
No, that is wrong. No data has ever come out 1,000 plus. Wrong calculation. Yeah.
I calculate for my friend.
That is wrong. Not 1,000 foot. You don't have big trees.
There is a big tree.
There is a big tree, but you must have hundreds of big trees to get 1,000.
There is hundreds of big trees there.
You cannot beat 900 so far, the top of the chart.
Seriously?
No, that's wrong. Do it again. After all, what are the big trees there?
Di Telukak apa kan?
No, di Telukak tak ada pulau kecil.
Ya kawak kan?
And then your Shannon Weiner 4.26. That's very high. Don't say only, that's very high. Kalau 1.26 only. 4.26 is very, very rich. Don't underestimate. And then the other thing about canonical analysis, you know, cuba tunjuk. This is interesting for the students, you know. What she did is the soil analysis and then superimpose with the distribution, isn't it? Right. How nice, you know, kadang-kadang, the other one. How nice for the student is to look at two things. If you understand that when the plants die, what happened? Oh, okay, not die yet. When the plants shed their leaves and die later, the nutrient, isn't it, will go into the soil. And the nutrients are taken back by the plant, isn't it? So what she did is to look at the soil analysis, meaning the after effect of decomposition of the organic matter in the soil and relate to distribution. How nice if it is done. You look at the leaf litter nutrient content and also the nutrient content in the living tissues of the plant to correlate with your the distribution of your trees with respect to soil, because soil undergoes weathering, soil undergoes erosion, soil undergoes changes on their own. But of course, soil receives all the organic from leaf litter decomposition and also, the death cycle. That is very interesting. Okay, over to you. No, Aqilah.